how to create a business LinkedIn account. So if you want to create a business LinkedIn account, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you need to open up your browser. And after opening your browser, you need to go with search and search for LinkedIn. After searching for your LinkedIn, you need to go with login or sign up, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Right. You can go with continue with Google, or you can also continue with your Microsoft, or you can sign in with your email. So the easiest way to continue with your Google, you don't need to enter any information. It will take the information from Google and then add it to your LinkedIn. So I'll just simply go with continue with Google. Just wait for a few seconds and then enter the location, go with continue, and answer these few questions, which is add your most recent experience. If you're a student, you can toggle on the option of student, enter your job title, and then go with continue. You can also enter the company name if you want to. And if you are looking for a job, you can go with yes, actually, I'm looking, or no, I'm not. Or you can also skip these options if you want to. Go with skip anyway. And then you can add some photos to help recruiters prioritize your profile. Go with continue again, which will be on the bottom. And I'll just simply skip these steps. You can also choose your interest if you want to. You can also get the app if you want to, and then go with continue and go with finish. And that's it. Your account has been created. That's how you can create a business LinkedIn account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.